Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2015 Honda CTX700N. This is the dual clutch automatic version. 6-speed auto transmission. Just put it in gear and turn the throttle. ABS brakes, twin cylinder, 700, over 60 miles per gallon. Very low seat, 28 inches. Come on by, get this modern CTX 700 Cruiser for just $59.99 with automatic. This is the one you've been waiting for. Very low miles, only 6,691 miles. Price to sell for $59.99. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.